viewers and subscribers. I am doing an update on the Space Saver cucumber, and today is October the 22nd, and all I can say is the cucumber is really growing, and now I see the tendrils are coming out and some little buds are coming on it, and I think that it's coming along really well. I'm going to show you the roots. The roots are looking great, nice and white, no algae, just doing amazing. And what I plan on doing is I'm waiting to get a delivery of a mussel rack. My little plant stand basically cannot take all the weight from all my different grows. I have some other plants, and my husband brought me to my attention about the weight of the water, and right now I have them on a plant stand, and it's pretty much you can tell it cannot take the weight. So I ordered a mussel rack, and it's supposed to be delivered either today or tomorrow. Once I have everything transferred to the mussel rack, I'll end up doing a video showing you the different projects that I'm working on. But I intend on being able to grow my own food, but also instead of going to the supermarket and buying salad greens and cucumbers and tomatoes, I intend on growing those things indoor all year round. So this is my first time trying this, and I've seen other people on gardening channels that are able to do that, and so I'm giving it a go, and so far I'm pretty satisfied with growing, and I am accomplishing growing lettuce and tomatoes, and now attempting cucumbers. So this is a Space Saver cucumber, and during the summer I was growing that on my deck, and so I'm pretty much happy with the results I'm getting from the Kratky style indoors, because on the outside it took quite a while for me to get cucumbers. So I'm hoping with the Maxi Grow nutrients and that I would be able to produce some cucumbers. So what I'm going to do is I'll be doing an update in a few weeks to show the progress of my cucumber grow. So until then, blessings everyone.